Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Firstly, just open one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then access it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, select this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View. Then click on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!